Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Here I have a few really great exercises for you to stretch with an exercise stick. So here's my first exercise for the abs and for your shoulder opening. So what you're looking at here is trying to keep your ribs very flat while at the same time aiming for a maximum shoulder opening. So really think of elevating the shoulders upwards, fold your chin to the chest, and then come up into a sit-up. Let's do this again, arms above your head, and then also lift the legs off. Really try to make sure that you are pressing into the floor with your lower back. Fold your chin to the chest as much as possible and elevate the shoulders. All right, and come back up to sitting. Change position to a kneeling position. And here, grab the stick in front of you, holding it shoulder width apart. Lift it up above you again. You want to think of folding your chin a little bit to the chest and then pushing the arms up and back. So it should feel like you're pulling yourself out of your shoulders and at the same time drawing the ribs down by pulling the stomach in. So here you can really find this active shoulder opening. And change position. Let's come to lying on your front on the floor. And grab the stick again, shoulder width apart in front of you. Lift your feet off, lift the arms off. Look at the floor and tuck your chin in. And try to, again here, really draw the stomach in and elevate the shoulders to pick up the stick. Okay, let's move to the next exercise, which is a twist. So you want to lean backwards into the twist, pushing your shoulders to the front, finding that nice diagonal stretch across the back here. So you want to kind of imagine that you're hanging from the stick. Okay, great. Next exercise will be again a stretch for your legs and your back. So tuck the stick in just right under your toes and fold your head in so you can look at your knees, and then from here just push your toes to the front. So I am very compact here. My upper body is on my thighs, and in this position I can feel a nice stretch across the upper back. A variation is to do this with straight legs. So of course it's also a challenge for your mobility, but for me the best effect of this stretch is felt behind the shoulder blades in my upper back. And then you can alternate between flexing and pointing. And then if you want to take it one step further, you can change to doing this with one foot only, which again is a great stretch for your leg and a stretch across the upper back. So I hope that this was useful for you. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.